Hello everyone, today I have Audi A3 with no working heating blower. I will show you what's happened. Ignition on. See, illumination all working, but no blower. I already investigate and fix it for free. Don't need to spend any money, but now I put everything back for demonstration, and I will show you now what's happening. First step, what you have to do before dismount something, you need to check, of course, fuses. Blower fuse is located on this side. You can see here blower fuse 22 40 amperes. Is it easy to found here because it's just a couple fuses with 40 amperes, this and this. Look, on my situation all fuses is fully worked. I checked it, and you have to check fuses, of course. Okay, if fuses good condition, working fine, next step what you have to do is dismount glove box. For this job, better if you disconnect battery, because there is some electricals wires which one you have to disconnect, and it will be much more safety if you disconnect battery. Let's do it. Okay, glove box removed. Now we have to remove as well blower and check what's happened with them. For this job you will have to disconnect this wire, power from the blower, and remove it. Look how I do it. For remove this blower, need a little bit pull this plastic thing and push anti-clockwise. Look. Up, and blower removed. Okay, this is a blower. How I told before, I already fixed it. And what usually happens, it's stuck, yeah, and not easy to move it. When I first time remove it, it was completely not moving. Now it's a little bit better, but I think it's fine now. What I done, here is the bearings, and it filled with dust. A lot of dust there was. I take air compressor, clean it properly. You can use Hoover or something, different things what you have for cleaning from the dust these bearings, and use any oil, mineral oil, but don't use WD-40 because it quite fast drying. After few days it can stuck again. I take just little bit, I think it's transmission oil, little bit, and fill little bit here and try move with hand. Maybe a little bit, take your time, maybe a couple minutes, and fill up again. Like this, and it definitely can help. Like this. Yeah, this job, it helped for me. I think if you have similar problem, you can check. But sometimes as well, gone this resistor. In this situation, you have to replace whole blower. It not really expensive. I think 40-50 pounds on eBay you can do. But on my way, cheap repair. Hope so. It will be for a long time. I already drive with this car a few weeks and still working fine. And moving this good. That's it. Job done for free. Just little bit oil and your time. Everything fitted back, battery connected. Now I show you that my blower working correctly. Look. Everything working fine. Hope this way will help for you as well. See you next video.